take you over to where Shane's new car is sitting. Ta-da!
Holy.
Yo guys, welcome back to the channel now. Woo, sun's out, this bird's chirping. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a nice day to go pick up a new car in Edmonton. Well, actually, specifically Shane's new build. He's been working towards getting this thing, and his G37 is pretty complete in his eyes. Like I've said before in the past, I've tried pushing that kit to go like crazy on the kit and like GT wing and stuff, but those are my preferences. Everyone has their own style and their own vision for their cars, so I respect that. And I think he's cool with this phase. It's fully paid off, so that's like one less payment, or I guess form of debt that's accruing in the background for him. Today is a very special day for this channel and for Shane because we're gonna be driving 3 hours up to Edmonton to be picking up his new ride. So yeah, let's just get this day started. It's 9 a.m. and I think with no traffic, no construction, it takes roughly around 2.5 hours to get to Edmonton from Calgary. So we're gonna be taking the Supra, and I still have to get gas for this thing. Let's just get this day started, and we'll probably pick up gas in Airdrie. Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
What the? Time to start a 10-hour drive to Vancouver.
Oh,
all right. Petrol in Airdrie. We are trying 94 octane in this thing first time, because usually I fill it with 91, but apparently it's supposed to be better or something.
just more combustion, right?
Oh.
94 is higher octane, I don't know. Depends.
All right, GoPro mode.
I know where we can go. I know where we can go. And it's all you and me. We'll kiss the sky goodnight. Just run away with me, darling.
Time. Oh, dude, we were doing 145 past the cop, and he just told us to slow down. Luckily, that's our warning of the day. We decided to grab some food at this diner, super random location. Holy dude. Just gonna grab a hot dog.
What do you want on your bun?
What do you got there?
Mustangs here?
Not really. Not the Shelby anyway.
No.
Kind of hard to come across, and they sell pretty quick.
You don't find too many hardtop convertibles.
Oh yeah.
We're here.
And it actually
Team 4.
perfectly interrupts.
Team forward.
What are we doing? 3-hour drive. Okay, Shane. We're gonna go inside, do all the logistics and the paperwork, and yeah, hopefully. Ready? That's it. Wow. White stripes. All right, so everything's signed for, but it's not in our possession yet. We're gonna quickly go to the registry.
Quickly.
We're gonna quickly go to the registry, which is only like 2 minutes away, and
Get a license plate.
get a real plate for this thing, so we can legally drive it home. Good luck.
Like what's happening for people, most people, is that they're waiting for the world.
Wrong car.
Oh shit.
Good news?
Good. Got it.
Serious?
I couldn't do the vanity plate, but I was like, whatever.
It was like $200.
215, yeah.
Let's go grab the Mustang, guys. What the f, dude?
No,
Let's
now
go
it's-
home.
now it's good.
Ford ST7. Take you over to where Shane's new car is sitting. Ta-da.
Holy.
What are you doing, dude? Shane, level up.
New builds, guys.
Again, this was like the third, right? The third iteration.
Yeah, third one I looked at.
So,
Third time's a charm.
but it had to be in Edmonton. Okay. Shane promised me that around Red Deer, which is like halfway point, we're gonna be switching cars, so he's gonna be driving the Supra and I get to drive this thing. And it's manual. Yes. Dude, I'm excited for you, man. I can't wait to drive this thing too. The Cobra. Damn, Shane, big boy tings. Here, give you that. Turn that off.
You want to do it yourself, not me? Or it's up to you. Back up camera. Sick.
New build. Crazy. Level up, man. Good job.
Just want to go home, guys.
Same, we've been here for too long. We left Calgary at 8 and our plan was to be home. Okay, yeah, we were like delayed, okay? The fellas are supposed to come over later too. Wait till they see this thing.
They're gonna crap their pants.
No one knows, Shane. This is a secret. Didn't even really tell anyone that we were coming to Edmonton just for this thing.
Hi.
Turn her on, bro.
Yeah.
Absolutely, man. Have a good day. You as well. Okay, thank you. So kind. No, let me get a shot of this. Damn. Shane. What are you doing, dude? Why does it look like this car fits you so well?
Does it?
It does.
That's awesome.
Damn. You're going back to manual, dude.
It's true. Air-conditioned seats. Gotta learn all the climate controls. Yo, no sunroof.
That's you. Wait. Whatever, man.
No sunroof.
Okay, let's go back home. We have shit to do. Look at that. What the heck? Okay, guys, let's go home. Actually, I get to drive that thing in 1.5 hours when we get to Red Deer, so see you in Red Deer.
Just run away with my darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again.
Yeah, man. Pushed it a little bit. Shane's car is fucking fast. We were both in like 7th, 8th gear, and he was starting to gap me. Small break time. We're like 1 hour away. What the fuck? Shane is gonna go fill up for me because he owes me gas money. So I'm just gonna chill and wait here. Guys, we're gonna be driving the Shelby. Woo! This thing's cool. Cobra. Wow. So while he goes and grabs gas in the Supra, I'm gonna get myself familiarized with this car. The clutch is so soft. That's what he meant. It feels like there is nothing at all. There's no spring in there. Okay. Can't believe this thing is faster than the Supra. Steering wheel feels nice. All right. Shane has grabbed gas, and apparently someone recognized the car. So Shane got to the Shell, and then some guy in a Subi came out and asked if that was Birdie's car. What the heck? Home stretch.
Dude, your car was super cheap to film.
How much?
I spent like $42.
I'm just gonna quickly GPS.
You don't have to. Yo, I think it's literally right there.
Yeah, that's the road?
That's it.
Okay, maybe. Yes, I finally get to see my Supra driving third person. Sick. Oh my god. I mean, the Mustang we were driving before, like just a V6 base model, it was pretty torquey. But a Shelby, you can feel the power.
I feel it pulsing through me, the rhythm of the universe. You gotta hold on to me, so we can take this ride together, and we can feel like this, feel like this.
Okay, we're back in Calgary, but it's raining. This thing drives smooth, and it's fucking fast. All I really know about this car is it's like 500 horsepower and has a lot of torque. Again, I'm not much of an American muscle kind of person, so I would never see myself getting this kind of car. We're gonna get an authentic reaction from our friends because they're at the house, both Eddie and Brett. And we didn't even tell, me and Shane didn't tell anybody that Shane was getting a new car. So nobody knows, so we'll see what they say. They both brought their beaters. Lame. Hey, what the fuck is this thing? Well, you're serious, right? Where'd you get that? Shelby, what the fuck? Well, what? What do you guys think?
I am flabbergasted. Like,
Yo, we went to Edmonton to pick it up. We had no idea, eh? Thanks, man.
Level up, level
Oh, I
up.
wish it wasn't raining.
I know, we didn't even get a chance to push it. That looks nice.
Red on white streak.
Nice. Good job, dude. Good job.
Celebration time! We left at 8 this morning. But yeah, me and Shane just like, let's just not tell anybody unless it's actually here and it's a done deal.
Yo, I'm happy for you. We wanted to be here so you guys come and see it in the driveway, but yeah, I guess you guys got here first. When you rolled up, you're like, what the hell?
I didn't expect that. I saw Bernie's car.
Yeah, I was like, whoa, Shelby, like, what? Those are nice contrasting colors.
It's all smoke. I like it in this lighting too.
Yeah.
Like the dark lighting.
It's like a cherry red.
But this is a nice red. Yeah, it's a nice and I kind of wanted the stripes too. Like,
Yeah.
It looks cool with this.
Yeah, the generic Mustang stripes.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you do with your other car?
Oh, it's in here.
Oh, you still have it?
Yeah, I'm not going to sell it. Yeah.
Shane was thinking of trading his G37 in as like collateral for his next build. But his G37 was already fully paid off, man.
A long time ago, yeah.
Yeah.
The build is complete pretty much.
Yeah, and it would have been so sad if you let it go just like that. Like, the G37 is you. Yeah, that too.
I just need heels.
Just you wait. And then those guys too.
Oh, I locked it actually.
We locked ourselves out.
Really? You don't have your house key?
Gotcha, gotcha.
I guess we'll chill in the car then.
Alright, guys. Just gonna quickly end the video. A total of 7 hours to go from Calgary to Edmonton, sign all the paperwork, and then come back. Out of it, Shane got a new car, so I mean, who's complaining? I feel like the crew is really pulling their weight, especially these past few months. I mean, first Eddie upgraded his 370Z into a Nismo, which was one of his dream cars. And then right after that, our friend Brett finally traded in his Rally Art for an Evo. Now Shane finally gets his dream build, which is this Shelby. So you guys can expect even more Mustang content on this channel now. I think we're all like 350 plus horsepower club now. And Shane, message to you, since you are like the only crew member that is playing around with American muscle, you gotta represent and go hard for us, man. Yeah, that's it, guys. I'll just end the video. Yeah, I could sleep, but we're pretty much just gonna chill in for the rest of the night. Thank you for watching, and make sure you guys subscribe if you want to get updated when new videos come out on this channel. Give it a thumbs up, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.